Hello. Hi, madam. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I am good.
That's wonderful. How was your day?
It's good.
That's great. Any activity that you did today, anything new that you'd like to share, or any incident, maybe anything would do.
Yeah, an incident means not much. There is a, I have presented some projects to my clients.
You said I have past tense.
Okay. I had,
Yes, correct.
yeah,
Yes.
I had presented my projects to one of my clients.
How did it go?
It went well.
That's wonderful. So, how do you usually prepare for your projects or your presentations?
Actually, first, I prepared for all URLs, required URLs, like for presenting the project. First of all, I saved all URLs in the one document, and I made some presentations like PPT like that.
Okay. Is this something that you do for every presentation?
No, some presentations for main projects, I develop I make presentations.
All right. Like you do it yourself.
Yes.
Okay. And do you practice your presentations in advance, like rehearse it?
No.
Okay. You're very efficient and
Yes. Yes.
spontaneous like that.
Yes.
That's great. So, what would you like to talk about today? I actually couldn't load the session document. It wasn't loading for me.
Yeah. It's like
Do
a
you see it?
bizarre. Ah, yeah. Bizarre situations. Bizarre means surprise.
So we call it bizarre, not bizarre. Just bizarre.
Bizarre. Yes. Bizarre.
Yes.
Sarah.
Yes.
Surprise. Like that.
Bizarre surprise. Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you good at surprising people?
No, I'm not good at.
And you will say, I'm not good at it.
Yeah, I'm not good at it.
All right. Why did you ever try surprising somebody?
So sometimes it succeed, but sometimes no, they will take. I don't know how they take and they gonna take about this.
How will they receive it?
Yeah, how will they receive it? I'm
Or
thinking like that.
no, no, instead of saying I'm thinking like that, you simply say I think like that.
I think like that.
Right? Because when you say I am thinking, it means that right now you're thinking.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, so simply I think like that.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So, have you ever been surprised, or did you ever surprise somebody and it went wrong?
Mm, I'm thinking.
No, no, sure. I like surprising people. I surprise people very well. I'm very good at it.
Yes, yes. I'm I'm able to I can't recollect now.
You're unable to recollect anything.
Yes, yes.
Okay, maybe if on the way you can come up with something.
Yeah.
All right, right. So if you had to, no, no, it's kind of it'll turn out to be a little silly question. If I was going to ask you if you had to plan a surprise for somebody, so how would you
Yeah.
do it? But
Okay.
suppose you had to plan a
Yeah.
surprise for your
Yeah.
mother.
Okay.
So what would you do? Let's hypothetically plan it together. What would you do?
Yeah. For my mother, she likes gold very much.
Who doesn't?
I'll purchase 10 grams, 20 grams of gold, and I'll gift it to her.
All right, okay. Okay, that was now a little easy. So how would you surprise your father if you had to surprise him?
My father,
hmm This is a
my
tough one.
father, yeah, he never
Mhm.
accept whenever I present anything, he never accepts that. He's a tough to handle.
So that's the challenge. How would you surprise him and gift him something? Now, surprise doesn't have to be a gift necessarily. It just has to be a surprise. So, what would you give him as surprise that he would accept?
maybe he never celebrate his birthday. I'll celebrate his birthday. I'll I will bought
I will.
some.
No, sir.
I'll bring.
Yes, because will is future, bought is past. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
incorrect.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I will bring like birthday cake and I'll celebrate.
All right. So let's
Maybe he will
try
shock.
to.
He will get.
Okay.
Yeah. Then he will get shock.
Okay. So why don't you walk me through it? Do you understand the meaning of walk through something?
Walkthrough means like reading.
Not reading, but like walk me through something, which is to explain something nicely in detail, slowly.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? For example, you're talking to a junior and he's trying to explain an idea to you. So you say, okay, walk me through it.
Okay.
Okay, which means that explain it to me diligently, better way.
Okay.
All right. Yes.
Okay.
So walk me through it. How would you plan the surprise birthday party for your father?
I'll bring some birthday cake and
All right.
I invite
Making
some
sure
of.
that he doesn't see it.
Yeah, yeah. And I invite some of my like colleagues or friends.
But what will your colleagues do at your father's birthday party?
No,
It's
they.
a surprise party for them, for
Yeah,
him.
yeah. For him, but I'll bring the blink and like I'll arrange some. He will also like happy. Like
He
I
will be
invite my
happy.
friends. Yeah, he will be happy.
All right. What about your father's friends?
I'll, I invite them also.
I will invite
Yeah,
them also.
I will invite them also.
All right. That's
Yeah.
great. Now, moving on, if you have to throw a surprise party in office, how would you do that? Because that's difficult, you know.
Yeah.
So what will be the planning involved?
No, like like to gathering team is very difficult.
No. With two, you never use ing. So you will not say to gathering, you say to gather.
Yeah, to gather teammates is very difficult. Like no,
Yes.
some
Mhm.
people take in a right way, or some people may not take in a right way. Like
But
may not
everybody
take in.
likes surprise party,
Yes, yes, yes. Everybody likes.
right? I don't think anybody would have a problem with that.
Okay. Yeah, then
Mhm.
I'll arrange some lunch party or like that.
All right. So how will you do it? You know, nobody has to know it's a surprise.
Yeah,
How would you manage?
suddenly I ask them to come to my desk and I want to talk to you all. Like I'm saying like that, and
Mhm.
I'll I'll give them a lunch party. Like today, I'm going to give you a treat. Okay, don't eat your lunch boxes.
Uh-huh.
Eat ever.
Very convenient.
Okay, give your lunch boxes to some other who need it. Okay, today, like I'm giving you the lunch party. Okay, have it and enjoy.
Okay, so if they ask you what is the reason, like what's the occasion, why is all of a sudden you want to surprise us and give us a lunch party, a treat?
Like I said, the night God gave me some like thoughts and yeah, like
I
I'm
just
saying
want to be a
some
nice
story.
person.
Yeah, yeah, I'm
All
saying
right,
some story like that.
all right. Very nice, very convenient. You're buying your friends with money. That I okay. The surprise is I'll give you a party.
Yeah, yeah,
Right. Yes. So I was asking, have you ever been surprised? Did somebody ever give you a surprise?
yeah, yeah. Like last year, my brothers, like in my birthday, my brothers brought some brought a birthday cake and they celebrate my birthday.
We celebrated.
Yeah, we celebrated my birthday.
Wow, this is very nice and convenient. No extra decoration or
Yeah,
anything.
yeah, yeah, yeah. In the night they come to my room and they give sudden surprise to me.
In night, they came to my room and
Night,
gave me past
yeah,
tense.
gave me. Yes, yes, yes.
Right. That's absolutely correct. So other than that, any surprise that you were given which you did not like a lot and you were like, this is absolutely unnecessary?
I don't think so. I don't have that kind of surprises.
Okay, all right. So can you think of a bizarre situation, as in any situation which was very weird? It doesn't have to be surprise, but just any situation in general, which you found very weird that you experienced.
Uh,
It could be in office, at a family function, anything.
mm, yes, like while I'm at like I think this happened last like 5 years back when I'm traveling by bus.
When I was traveling
When I was traveling on bus or by bus.
by bus.
Yeah,
On is like you're
whenever
on the bus.
yes, yes. When I was
Traveling by bus.
traveling by bus, like I forgot my luggage. My
You forgot your.
my luggage, like one, like there are two bags I need to hold. I am carrying, like I was carrying, but I forgot one luggage, one bag.
Okay, so you will not say I forgot one luggage. You will say I forgot a bag
I
from my
forgot.
luggage.
Yeah, I forgot my one bag from my luggage.
All
And
right, okay.
uh,
Then,
after after 2 or 3 hours, like I realized I forgot the luggage.
okay, so you had boarded the bus and then you realized.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then
I called to the customer care and I told them the bus number and they will give me the bus like a contact like bus driver number.
so past tense. You said they will give me the. We are all talking about past here.
Sorry.
So everything would be in
Uh,
past tense.
yes, yes. I called to the customer care number.
So not called to the, simply I called the.
Yeah, I called the customer care like for me like APSRTC was there for traveling and all those things. Like I called to them and I told my bus number.
You again said I called to them. I called them.
Yeah, I called them. I called them and I told them I told them about explained to them about my situation and I asked them for that like bus driver number, contact number.
All right. Then,
They gave me the contact number like bus driver contact number. Then I contacted him. Okay, okay after 3 hours, the same bus returning returning from it is
returned. Past tense, sir, again, past
yes
tense, all of it.
yeah. The bus after 3 hours it returned through my village. Okay, then
Oh,
he returned my bag to me.
all right. And then you took your bag.
Yes, then I took my bag.
All right. But it must have been a very, scary place to be.
Yeah. Yes. The
Absolutely.
valuable things were there in that bag.
Wow. It's nice that, you dealt with such smartness
Yeah.
at the
Yes.
point.
Yes.
Because, sometimes people can just panic.
Yes.
So are you somebody who panics very easily if they're in a difficult situation?
No. Like I work efficiently under any pressure.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I can work under like I work efficiently whenever I got any pressure. I work efficiently.
So again, you will say whenever I get, because now this is something that happens in a regular
Whenever
basis.
okay. Whenever I got,
Get simple
whenever
present.
whenever I get any pressure, like any pressure is like coming to me, like
Hmm.
I'll yeah
I
I
work
work
efficiently under pressure.
I work efficiently under pressure.
All right. Do you have an example that you can give to support this?
I already give you that is example.
No, like something different.
Yes.
It could be anything in office or in any other situation.
Lot of times like happened in my work and office related works.
Sir, you don't say works. You only say work.
Okay, in my work. Yeah.
right? Because
Yep.
it's singular even if you want to say plural, so it's always only work.
Okay.
All
Sure.
right, great. um so that's nice, it's a quality that a lot of people should have to
Yes. Yeah.
work efficiently under pressure, because most of the work we do creates pressure.
Yes. Yes.
Right. Okay, then. So what would you like to talk about? We've covered most part of bizarre situations. Any doubt or anything that you'd like to discuss?
No. No. I don't have any doubts. We will move to another topic. Maybe.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
So what would you like to talk about? Anything in particular?
No. Nothing in particular.
All right. So where did you spend your childhood?
Like most of my childhood, don't understand. Uh, I
Like
did
which
like
place, like which city, or where did you spend your childhood?
yeah, yeah. Like I studied in a boarding school. Like it is there in the middle of the forest.
Oh, okay, okay. I remember you shared the
Yeah.
story.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. I was a little lost. I think we discussed it in the beginning of the session.
Yes. Yes. But I like that place very much.
Yes, I remember. Covered with nature all around.
Yes. Yes. School is
Uh,
surrounded by nature and
that's
everything
fun.
is fantastic. Well, is there was there.
Right. So if you had to relocate, as in like if you had to
Uh,
relocate and shift to some other city and live there, which would it be?
I don't want to relocate to the city. I want to go to my village and
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 settle down there.
yeah, settle down there.
So do you like village life more than urban
Yes,
life?
yes. I like village life.
Why is that? Most of the people, want to shift to cities and live here.
Yeah, city means like for earning, city like say like for earning some money and all those things. We need city life, but no here lot of heavy pollution. There is no proper no that lot of pollution. We can't breathe a proper air here. There is a
Uh-huh.
yeah traffic heavy traffic jam.
But it's still better than Delhi. How
Yeah,
worse can it?
yeah. Yeah, yeah. It is panicking for us. Like surviving here is like if we get a good amount of money, then it is okay. Otherwise, surviving in the city is not an easy task to pay the
Uh-huh.
room rents and to survive or to
Uh-huh.
like for monthly
Survival is very difficult.
yeah like for everything is like no is everything is linked to money like we go out they will charge more like we want to travel from one place to another place they will charge around 500 like that. With 500 in the village you can survive whole month at least
Ab-
1 week.
Oh, really?
Yeah they're vegetables are very like low cost
Cheap.
there. Yeah very cheap.
All right.
And
I wasn't aware of that.
yeah very cheap like they in my village no they are in their in their fields they are what we say they're bringing village I
They
forgot the
bring.
name. Yeah, it is available there only in the villages.
Okay.
Vegetables
Okay.
all are available.
All right. Yeah, correct sentence. All vegetables are already available there for
Yeah,
consumption.
yeah. Yes, Akazamcha.
All right. So when was the last time you lived in the village? In your village?
Up like 2 months back, I came to Hyderabad. Up to then, in the lockdown period, I was in my village only 1.5 year.
1.5 year. So
Yes,
are you missing village now because of
yes,
that?
I'm missing my village a lot.
Uh-huh. So how was the shift for you? Like what were the things that you immediately didn't like when you moved to city?
Yeah, like no, like in my village, everything is there is no pollution. Like
Mm-hmm.
uh, everything is good way. Like we are connected to the nature in the like I am in a village. Like I thought I thought I am living in a nature, but coming to the City
Yeah.
like here it is a materialistic life.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, there is
definitely.
no proper no liveliness is not here.
Right. No, no, I don't understand it, but I can imagine. Right.
At least you can understand.
Right. Does anybody from your village wish to shift to city? Like, I feel like people who live in village always want to move. So anybody who
Yes,
you
yes.
know that wants that?
Yes, yes. My like most of my relatives they want to shift to like city, but they don't know the struggles here.
Yes. Do you tell them? Do you help them learn about
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like I explained to them a lot of times.
And how's the reaction?
They don't understand. Like no, once like anyone can face the situation, then only they understand
Uh,
properly. Otherwise, for others say like for suppose we say to them like they are listening, but they are not understand properly.
they don't understand. They have to experience it to understand it.
Yes, yes. They have to experience for themselves.
All right, I understand. So, do you wish to, after you retire or after, you've reached your old age, would you like to go back to village and settle there and leave the
Yes,
city?
yes, yes, yes. After 10 years, maybe I will work after like up to 10 years only. After that, I will go to my village and I'll I'll build a beautiful house and I'll settle there.
All right, so the plan is to make a lot of money and save for a good living
Yes,
and
yes,
then just go.
yes, yes,
That sounds very nice and peaceful. A lot of people do that these days. People don't like city lives a lot and they want
yes,
to
yes,
go back to their roots.
yes, yes.
That's great. So, anything else that comes to your mind related to the same topic that you'd like to talk about?
There is nothing. I think
Hmm.
there is nothing
Right.
to like. There is nothing in there my mind currently.
All right. No, no, I can understand. Some days are just so dull.
Yes, yes,
Right. So, what are you
yes.
planning to do after the session's over? How will you end the day?
Tomorrow, like I have a one more one more presentation to give. Like I will take the rest early.
Okay. Instead of saying take the rest, you simply say I will take rest.
Yeah, I will take rest.
All right. Sounds good enough to me. Fair enough. You've had a difficult day anyway.
Yes, yes.
Right. So, is there anything in particular that you like to do to relax? Uh, without screens. Like, what do you like to do when you do not have screens and you want to relax?
Screens means like mobile phone or laptop
Yeah,
without
mobile,
screen.
laptop. Like, avoid that you want to relax without screens. How do you do that?
Yeah, I read books.
No, no, I was just saying that the session, we've reached the end of the session.
Yes, yes.
Do you want to add anything?
No, no. Please share your feedback.
Right. My only feedback is that, today you were making comparatively more mistakes, especially in terms of past tense. It could be
Okay,
because
okay.
you're tired, some days can be like that.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
so just focus on past tense.
Okay,
Because that's a mistake that we've been facing constantly.
okay.
So maybe we should pay more attention to it.
Sure, sure.
That's the only thing from mine because that's the only mistake that I've been consistently making a pattern out of.
Okay,
Right? Maybe you can check the recordings, keep a note of it, prepare
okay,
yourself before the session, and I think
okay,
that would help.
okay.
All right then. In that case, yeah, that's it from my end. Anything you want to add to it or no?
No, like okay. How you wind up the day?
How nice. So see, this is how you use the things, right? Nothing. I mean, I usually work. I try
Okay,
to wind up my work first,
okay,
and then I like to read book before I go to bed if I'm
okay.
not too tired.
Which kind of books you like?
Oh, I read all types of books,
Okay,
except motivational books.
except
I
okay,
don't read motivational books. It kind of gets boring for me. It's too preachy for me.
okay, okay,
So I read any genre. Currently, I'm reading this book called Tuesdays with Maury.
okay,
It's story about two people.
Okay.
One is a student, another one is an old teacher who's about to die, and
Okay.
they meet every Tuesday. So it's about the
Mm.
conversations they have and
Okay.
wisdom that they share with each other, wisdom and experiences. It's a nice
Okay.
book.
How
So yeah,
many days? Yeah,
mm,
yeah. How many days it will take you to complete one book?
I'm a slow reader. I take time.
I am also like that. I read slowly.
Yeah, I think it took me probably 3 days to complete half of it, but because of the workload I have, I haven't been able to read it again. So
Okay.
half of it is still left.
Okay.
Right?
Good.
It's not getting completed this year. Next year, definitely.
Yes, yes. Good.
Right. So yeah, I mean, if nothing, then I just at the end of the day check my alarm or check my phone and then I go to bed.
Okay, okay. Good.
Right. Oh well. Okay, then it was lovely talking to you again. Take
Okay.
rest and take care.
Uh, sure, sure. Thank you.
All
Thank you
right.
so much.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good
Take care.
night.